This is how to make money online in 2 minutes. It's actually pretty simple. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need any money to get started. But most people don't know where to start, so they end up making $0. That's why I put together this step-by-step guide so you can start earning money today. First, pick a skill that you have that people are willing to pay for. This could be anything from writing to graphic design to teaching. If you're a teacher, you can create an account on freelancing platforms like Upwork and offer your services as a freelancer. Or if you write well, you can find work as a content writer for blogs or websites. All you have to do is type in the keywords to search for the job you want. If you're good at graphic design, you can use free tools like Canva to create stunning graphics for businesses. And if you're a natural teacher, you can create an online course on platforms like Udemy and share your knowledge with the world. And the best part is that you can do all of this from the comfort of your home. You just need a laptop and an internet connection to get started. Now let's talk about some more ways to make money online. You can start a YouTube channel and create videos on topics that you're passionate about. You can earn money from ads and sponsorships, and you can connect with brands directly through influencer marketing platforms. Or you can sell print-on-demand products like t-shirts with your own designs. Websites like Redbubble and Society6 allow you to upload your designs and sell them on a variety of products without ever having to handle the printing or shipping yourself. Another great way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. By joining affiliate programs, you can earn commissions for promoting other people's products. This is a great way to diversify your income streams and promote products that align with your audience. And if you're looking for a side hustle that's a little less conventional, you can try your hand at voiceover work. As a voiceover artist, you can lend your voice to audiobooks, ads, and other projects. All you need is a good microphone and a quiet space to record. If you're bilingual, you can also make money by translating documents or subtitles. And if you're into photography, you can sell stock photos online. Websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties every time someone downloads them. Now, if you don't want to use your skills to make money, you can take paid online surveys and answer questions from market research companies. These companies are always looking for real people like you to provide feedback on products and services. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie. You can also write and sell ebooks using free tools like Google Docs. Once you've written your book, you can upload it to platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and set your price or leave it at $0 so readers can pay what they want. And lastly, you can work in online customer service and help people with their questions or problems. Many big companies offer remote customer service jobs, so you can work from anywhere in the world. So there you have it, 15 different ways to make money online. Remember to stay consistent, stay focused, and you will grow your online income. Good luck. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.